How to use Google Workspace. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Google Workspace is a collection of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools, software, and products developed and marketed by Google. Here, you want to click on the Get Started option in order to sign up. Now you will have to fill up some details including your business name, number of employees, your domain. If you do not have a domain, you can purchase one through Google. Then Google Workspace will provide you a plan that fits your need. In order to subscribe to that plan, you will have to provide your payment method. Google Workspace will provide you a 14 days free trial. After the trial ends, you will be charged on your payment method. Once you have been logged into Google Workspace, you want to access your admin console. The Google Admin Console is where administrators manage Google services for people in an organization. Now, you want to set up your business email in the Google Workspace. If you didn't activate Gmail during sign up, you can do so. You need to change your domain records to direct mail to Google Mail server. Other things you can do with Google Workspace is migrate your team's data to Google Workspace, import your users' emails, contact, and calendar to their Google Workspace account, build and manage your team. You want to set up team member accounts and manage their identity. Then you want to set up your organization's account, add your logo, manage billing and payment, and follow best practices for security and compliance. Next thing you want to do is manage your meetings and email. Make the most of Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Meet for your team and client meetings. You want to work with cloud storage and online documents. You want to use the document, spreadsheet, and presentation app available in Google Workspace. Another thing you can do is set up and manage mobile devices. Then on, you want to grow your business. Create and enhance your online web presence using the features available in Google Workspace. And this is how you can basically use Google Workspace. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.